Heading to Utah for a ski trip? But here is one thing. Packing the right things can make all the difference between a smooth, enjoyable adventure and a chilly, uncomfortable experience. Whether you're a seasoned skier or hitting the slopes for the first time, being prepared is key. In this video, we'll explore the 10 things to pack for your ski trip in Utah. Make sure you subscribe to our channel first and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. Number 10. All-mountain skis. All-mountain skis are essential equipment for a ski trip in Utah. These skis are versatile and designed to perform well on various terrains and snow conditions, making them perfect for exploring the diverse slopes of Utah's ski resorts. With their wider waist and sturdy construction, all-mountain skis provide stability and control, whether cruising down groomed runs or tackling challenging off-piste terrain. Their versatility means you can confidently navigate Utah's powder-filled bowls, steep chutes, and groomed trails with ease. When packing for your ski trip in Utah, be sure to include your trusty all-mountain skis to ensure an enjoyable and adventurous experience on the slopes. Number 9. Helmet. When you're skiing at a resort, wearing a ski helmet is important for staying safe. This is because skiing within the bounds of a resort means you're likely to ski more aggressively compared to skiing in the backcountry. In the resort, there are many risks like crowded slopes, other skiers who might not be in control, and icy patches on the terrain. Luckily, ski helmets have improved a lot in recent years. They've become lighter, safer, and more comfortable than they used to be. This means that wearing a helmet not only keeps you safer, but also doesn't feel as bulky or uncomfortable as older helmet designs. Number 8. Downhill ski boots. Finding the right ski boots is super important, no matter how good you are at skiing. If your boots don't fit well, it can make skiing a lot harder and less fun. But if they fit right, you'll feel more confident and comfier all day long. To get the best fit, it's a good idea to go to a ski shop or outdoor gear store near you. That way, you can try on different boots and find the one that suits your feet and how much experience you have on the slopes. Make sure you pick a boot designed for downhill skiing, not for touring, so it can transfer your power well and work with your bindings. Number 7. Ski jacket. When choosing a ski jacket, it's important to find one that feels comfortable, fits you nicely, and can withstand tough weather conditions. It needs to keep you dry and protected from both water and wind, especially on snowy or windy days when moisture and drafts can be a problem. There are 3 main types of ski jackets to consider: the uninsulated hardshell, the insulated jacket, and the budget-friendly 3-in-1 option, which includes a zip-in mid-layer. While each has its merits, we recommend the versatility of an uninsulated outer layer, such as Arc'teryx's Sabre jacket. This premium option offers flexibility for various conditions and activities, making it a top choice for ski enthusiasts. Number 6. Water-resistant pants. A sturdy pant that's tough, waterproof, and windproof, much like a ski jacket, is a smart pick for days spent skiing within marked areas. If you ski often in really cold weather, you might want to think about getting pants with insulation to keep you warm. But many people like the flexibility of wearing thick, non-insulated hardshell pants for the whole ski season. You can pair these with a light or medium weight base layer depending on how cold it is. The Arc'teryx Sabre pant is a good choice because it combines waterproof and breathable fabric with the added comfort of a fleece lining. If you prefer something warmer, you could go for ski bibs. These offer better protection from snow, wind, and rain, and they also give you extra warmth by covering part of your core. Number 5. Ski gloves or mittens. When you're skiing, it's annoying if your fingers get cold, so it's smart to pick good gloves that fit right and keep your hands warm. Mittens are great if your fingers often get cold, but most people prefer gloves because they let you move your fingers more easily. Our top pick for gloves is the Hestra Heli. They're tough on the outside, warm inside, and have a cuff that goes over your jacket sleeve to keep out snow and wind. While it's not a must-have, it's nice to have waterproof gloves when you're skiing. But remember, especially if they're made of leather, they might need some care now and then to keep them waterproof. Number 4. Ski socks. A good ski sock needs to fit snugly without feeling too tight, using materials that are gentle on the skin and won't cause itching. It should also have sufficient padding to keep your feet comfortable throughout a full day of skiing. Unlike regular socks, ski socks are taller, reaching over the calf, and have extra cushioning in spots that are prone to rubbing and pressure, which is crucial when you're wearing rigid ski boots. These features help to ensure that your feet stay cozy and supported while you're out on the slopes, allowing you to enjoy your skiing adventures without discomfort. Number 3. Goggles. Goggles are important when you're out skiing or snowboarding. They do two main jobs: keeping your eyes safe from things like wind and snow, and helping you see clearly on the slopes. One big thing people look for in goggles nowadays is the quality of the lenses. Companies like Smith have been focusing on making lenses that make colors and contrasts pop. This makes it easier to see the bumps, ice patches, and other dangers as you're cruising down the mountain. Another cool feature that many goggles have is interchangeable lenses. This means you can switch out the lens depending on the weather. If it's super sunny, you might want a darker lens to protect your eyes from the bright light. But if it's cloudy or overcast, you might prefer a lighter lens to help you see better in lower light conditions. Being able to change lenses like this gives you more control over your vision, no matter what the weather's like. Number 2. Toiletries and first aid. When gearing up for your ski adventure in Utah, it's important to pack more than just the essentials like prescriptions, vitamins, shampoo, and a toothbrush. Consider bringing along some additional toiletries and first aid items to ensure a comfortable and safe trip. Don't forget small packs of tissues for runny noses and unexpected spills. Protect your lips from the harsh mountain sun with lip balm containing SPF. Shield your skin with sunscreen, opting for a product with at least SPF 30 that's easy to reapply throughout the day. Prepare for minor injuries with a first aid kit stocked with pain relievers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen, antihistamines, bandages, antibiotic ointment, gauze, and scissors. Soothe sun-exposed skin with aloe vera or another after-sun lotion. Lastly, keep your hands moisturized and protected from the cold with hand lotion, Vaseline, or Aquaphor. Number 1. Snacks and extras. Don't forget to bring along some essential snacks and extras to keep your energy up throughout the day. Fill your ski jacket pockets with convenient munchies like granola bars, instant oatmeal packs, fruit snacks, and trail mix, providing quick and easy refueling while you're out on the runs. Additionally, pack hand and foot warmers to combat the chilly temperatures, ensuring your extremities stay cozy and warm. Remember to bring along your electronics and other entertainment options to unwind after a day of skiing, whether it's listening to music, playing games, or watching movies during your downtime at the lodge. With these essentials in your bag, you'll be well prepared for a fantastic ski adventure in the beautiful mountains of Utah. That's all for now. Remember, if something is missing from your packing list, don't worry. You may just rent or purchase it when you get there. If you enjoyed watching the video, give it a big thumbs up and follow us for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.